Hi everyone, it's Casey and I'm here to share to you about my learnings and realization on the topic joining and finishing. But let us be specific in metal joining, permanent joining methods, which is soft soldering or soldering. Because I am quite familiar in this joining process, because way back on my 10th grade, I had a subject electronics which we performed soldering as a practical test and it was enjoying. So first, what is again soldering? Soldering is a process that joins two or more types of metals through metal solder. Soldering is commonly used in electronics as it is simple and safe in joining sensitive materials. So for example, what you can see in my background here, a TV. In TVs, soldering is used during manufacturing to assemble the various electronic components onto the circuit boards. Additionally, it's often used for repairing TVs when components like capacitors, resistors, or connectors needs to be replaced. For example, if a capacitor fails, it can be desoldered from the circuit board and a new one soldered in its place to restore functionality. Similarly, soldering is used to repair broken connections or replace damaged parts such as HDMI port or power supply components. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.